Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Ukonrat Sangma hakas ngi balang ula pentip ba ulat ka jilla ula pha ya ka anro bala tip kum ka Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Amendment Bill sha President kari nakabenta banyo ya ka Jingmynjur haba kren shikinong tho khubor ula ong ba ulat ubarim ula pha ya kani ka bill sha ka tanat korbari ka sarkar pedeng kani ka tanat pat kala pha byang sha ka sarkar jilla ringkat bat ki jing ai jingmud Nakaliang ka sarkar hadian bakala depan pinbit pinbyang kala pha e kate ka anro sha ulat ubala pha kala pat sha president nakabenta banyo Jingmynjur.
Because initially when this MRSSA came in, the governor had discussed this matter with the Home Ministry. So therefore, in the recommendations given by the then governor, which was then of course resent again to us because we sent it back to the governor, and the new governor again sent back with the comments that was put in by the then governor, saying that this bill should be sent to the president for his approval and his consent and his comments. Accordingly, through the governor's secretariat, that file and that the MRSSA bill has been sent to the president's office.